guys, Sam from TNVC, Greenline Tactical, and Warrior Poet Society. Today I'm going to talk about the rental gear available at Greenline and certain selected Warrior Poet Society classes like John's Intro to Long Range Patrol. Anyway, the gear that we offer standard for our Night Fighter classes at Greenline, $150 is the cost of the rental fee. You will get a couple of items. You will get a Wilcox G24 mount. You will get a bump helmet from either Ops Corps Galvian or Team Wendy that will then attach to the shroud. You will get a dual tube system. These happen to be DTNVGs. We have RNVGs, we have Mod 3s, we have Sentinels, and soon we will start offering DTNVSs when those come online. They are a mix of unfilmed white phosphor, thin film white phosphor, and green thin filmed, all generation 3. So your goggles will sit in that configuration with the helmet. You will get a MAL laser. They may be a class 1 C1 plus. They could be a DA. They could be an X1. It's kind of your preference. You can email us ahead of time and request a certain laser. If you want to try out the C1 plus versus the class 3s, you can always switch them out in the middle of the class. But again, we are running dual tubes, Mod 3s, DTNVGs, RVGs, just to name some of them. Wilcox G24 mounts. We're really big fans of Wilcox. We think they make the best mounts, definitely for dual tubes out there. B.E. Myers and Company, MAL lasers, C1 pluses, DAs, X1s, and then bump helmets from Team Wendy or Ops Corps or Galvian. All the bump helmets will come outfitted with the TNVC Mohawks for counterweight, because it's a good idea. And then some of them have the 4D tactical 0G pads in them. We're kind of in the process of upgrading all the pads in all of the helmets. So some have them, some don't. This year, we'll definitely get them all upgraded. But $150 for 2 nights gets you all this at a Greenline Tactical Night Fighter class. Hope to see you guys out when the training season kicks off. If you're curious, go to the Greenline Tactical website and sign up for a class with Don or a Night Fighter class with Don and I. But anyway, if you have night vision questions, hit me up in the comments below. Like, comment, subscribe. And as always, I'm here to answer your questions at TNVC. You can always call me there. Have a good one, folks. Wash your hands.